Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 565. Title of today's lesson is the difference between notice and notify. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot. Do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, this is one where I've often found students mix them up. Sometimes within the same day or the same class, several students will mix up these two. And I think the problem comes in with notice as a verb and notice as a noun has different meanings. And a lot of students will think that the noun meaning of notice is just, the verb is just simply the verb use of it, where that is not correct. So let's look at this. Here's notice. If someone notices something, he or she becomes aware of someone or something by seeing, hearing, or feeling something. So they became aware of it, they noticed it, they identified it. Notice as a noun is information about a warning of something that is going to happen, or a sign put in a public place that often warns someone about something, or at least gives them information about something. All right, let's go on. So notify means to inform someone. So you're actually telling. If you're doing the act of telling, it's to notify. To inform someone officially about something could be a warning, but it could just be about like a change in rules or policy, or just about some event that's coming. It could be about anything like that. All right, let's continue. Let's look at the first one. This is one where a student could commonly make a mistake. I noticed him about what was going to happen. No. Here you should definitely say, I notified him about what was going to happen. You informed him. You told him. You didn't notice. If you notice him, it just means that you've seen him. So here it should be, I notified him about what was going to happen or take place. Number two, they noticed me about the changes in the schedule. No, again, they notified me about the change. So they informed you. They gave you this information. They didn't notice you. Again, notice you just means that they see you. So this would definitely be incorrect here. All right. And here, again, maybe it could be reworded and you could use notice as a noun and it could make sense. They sent me a notice about the changes in the schedule. That's okay. Maybe this is where the confusion comes in, because you could use the noun in this sort of sense. Somebody could send you a notice about the change in the schedule, but they don't notice you about the change in the schedule. Okay. All right, and here's some other uses we commonly use of notice here, just so. I noticed that he was not feeling well. Again, something you could see, something you could sense. I noticed some background noise in his video, so again, something you could hear, and you identified it, you've seen it was happening. The tenant was sent a notice of his eviction for not paying his rent. So again, this is notice as a noun. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.